This is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how long you played your Nintendo Switch games for in an hour. So now what you want to do is go to the home screen and go to the upper left and go to your page. So I'm going to select Timbo's page. Mine is the Yoshi icon. Then go to this. Then you can see your profile. Go to the right and then scroll on down. And go to Play Activity. So you can see I played Super Smash Bros. For about 5 hours or more. Then Apex Legends just for a little while, that's under an hour. Then here's Rocket League, 1 hour. So I haven't used my Nintendo Switch all that much. So here's YouTube, that's probably the thing I've done the most. So you can go through this list and you can select it. It says you can view the details from the eShop. So this is a quick little video and then you can start this up, but you can just look through that entire list and see which games you played the most. There's no way to sort it. I don't see an option like that, so it's pretty much just whatever game you've recently played. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.